Hey everybody, today's episode of me doing my job. I have to drill, tap, and unmess up mistakes. So what you see here is I scribed the necessary area. I picked about fifth of an inch, and then I scribed, used my center punch to mark it, and then I drilled my initial hole just slightly smaller than the threads needed on my tap. I know, should have been using a lock vise, but 2 days earlier my son decided to break it because he was messing around with dad's stuff. Anyway, go in, slowly come up to try to get rid of that debris in there, a lot less friction, and make sure it's oiled. Ensure it's oiled to make sure it stays cool so you don't burn and break one of your bits, which I did in the course of this. Now, while I'm going through that, I'm making sure that I'm still wearing my gloves and my proper eye pro because things like to fly at me. Here I am applying a little more oil to make sure I am not breaking it. Still going down, still going down. Alright, so this is the part where I had to intentionally damage a screw which was supposed to be cross-threaded. So it was supposed to be a screw that literally did not want to go anywhere. So I intentionally bent it, and in the next image you're going to see that I broke the non-threaded head of the screw off. Alright. So there's it. There it is, busted. Alright. So from there I used my center punch to scribe a major hole. I used my bolt removal instrument to rotate that screw out of its placement hole. The video I had for it became corrupted. It should still be in here, but I've been having problems trying to install it into there. My apologies. From there, I removed it and placed in a new screw, which happened to have a ground and non-finished head, so I decided to blue it. I used premium bluing. So with that, ground off to make sure it was nice and shiny and it wasn't dirty. Make sure you're using something less than 500 RPMs, otherwise you're just going to gouge it out and literally waste your time. Apply a coat of the premium blue with a Q-tip, wait a few minutes, apply another coat, and then when you reach your desired level of that, you can clear it off with nice cool water. Alright, so from there, I hope you guys enjoyed me explaining the use of premium blue to ensure that I properly blued it. The fact that I showed you the process of the removal of that, and then video of me removing that beloved busted headed screw that would be inserted, and then showed you guys the video of a broken fastener and fastener being installed properly. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, favorite, and subscribe. And as always, stay safe and don't be mean to your waitresses.